course, dadako na tayo sa pinaka-highlight ng ating event na ito, which is the rewards and recognition for our top performers in this quarter.
Really recognize these top performers.
Yes, and if you are not part of some of these folks, nakasama ko and sisiya ko. Let's hear it for Mommy Christine.
Hi, I started here, working here as a single mom. Baby pa yung daughter ko that time. Now she's studying na. So, I need to work hard for her future, of course.
So, ang tanong naman namin ngayon sa'yo, paano mo nababalanse yung pagpapaligaya sa sarili at yung responsibilidad mo sa iyong anak at sa trabaho?
Seeing my daughter attending parties, activities here, she's very happy. Last Halloween, she won the Best in Costume as Maleficent. Then we have daycare here. So, pag walang nag-aalaga, walang maiiwan, nadadala ko siya dito.
Wow!
That's
Yes, we're very, very grateful for the daycare here sa Taspas because you see, there are so many daughters and sons na gustong makasama pa rin yung
Exactly.
parents nila habang nasa work.
Gusto naman namin malaman, anong naging inspirasyon mo to reach this top performance?
Isa sa naging inspirasyon ko ay dahil isa akong breadwinner.
Para sa akin na to, ate.
Oo naman, para sa
Thank you, ate! Alam mo ba, ate, nag-drawing kami sa school kanina.
Oh, ano i-drawing mo?
Jollibee.
Ano kulay ni Jollibee din mo? Sa akong panganay na sinakripisyo ang pag-aaral ko para sa kapatid ko. Nagsisikap ako para sa pamilya ko.
Okay, mahal po. Diyan ka na pala. Nay, ito po pala yung natira sa sweldo ko. Bakit ito lang? Nay, hindi po ako nag-OT. Bakit ka nag-OT? Alam mo kailangan natin. Kulang pa itong bayad ng ino. Nagagawa ko lang po ng paraan.
Alas mo na kayo kung pare ka nag-aaya ng pera.
Kulang pa nga itong bayad sa kuryente.
Bigyan mo na, ano yan?
Kulang pa
Ano
to.
yan? Ah,
Nay, ba't mo naman binigay yung pera? Yun na lang yung pera ko eh. Tatay mo kasi alam mo magali nun eh. Nay, hindi na nga ako nag-OT. Ay, parang gagawin natin. Iyan mo na tatay mo, magagawa din natin ito ng paraan. Makalaki.
Hindi man ako nabigyan ng perfectong pamilya pero lumalaban ako para sa kanila.
Wow! So, napakarami na pala talagang responsibilidad. Ngayon naman, gusto naming malaman, sa dami ng responsibilidad mo, paano mo nababalanse yung pagpapaligaya sa iyong sarili?
Para sa akin, bilang top performer, number one is yung incentive, syempre. Natitreat ko yung family ko, nababayaran ko lahat ng bills namin, dami kami may pagkain sa bahay. And then, isa pa is yung wellness and resiliency program na meron si Taspas. Isang malaking bagay para sa pamilya ko dahil sa papa ko, na-realize niya na mali pala yung ginagawa niya.
Oh, wow! Napaka-helpful ng ating mga program dito sa Taspas. So, hindi na lang meron tayo
Exactly. And sa lahat ng nakaka-relate dyan, ng breadwinners, I hope na maging okay din kayo sa family nyo at yun, ma-appreciate nyo lahat ng meron sa Taspas.
Once again, congratulations, Francis Linduma, for being one of the top performers.
Now, let's move on to our next top performer. Ito, kilala ko to eh. Balita ako, working student ka. So, can you share to us your experience?
Yes, actually, I'm a working student. So, being a working student, mahirap paghatiin yung oras, yung time management, lalo na sa pag-aaral, sa pagtatrabaho. But, ito yun nga, kaya sa dahil kay TaskUs and sa flexible schedule na binibigay nila sa akin, na pagsasabay at nagagawan ko ng paraan para magampanan yung tungkulin ko bilang isang working student at the same time makapagtrabaho.
Working student supporting herself and the family.
Relate ako dyan actually. And it's
Yes. So, marami ka ding responsibilidad katulad ng ating dalawang performers na kasama natin sa stage na ito.
yeah.
Pero, ang gusto naming malaman, being a working student, paano mo nagbibigyan ng oras sa pagpapaligaya sa sarili?
Actually, yun nga, kaya nasabi ko kanina is napakahirap mag-time management sa being a working student. But sa flexible schedule na binibigay ni TaskUs, nagagawa ko naman siya ng paraan. At the same time, nakakapag-hangouts pa rin ako with my friends and also getting to know with some other people.
Sana mo. Sana mo, getting to know.
Yes.
Getting money like I'm off the bank. I'm getting money like I'm off the bank. Oh, all my niggas close to me. And all the money nigga when it pops the bank. Oh, the house got the bank. Hey, chicks in the big like close to me.
And the fun fact about it po is, right now, I'm a graduating student.
Oh, really?
Congratulations! Double congratulations pala to eh.
Hindi ko mag-over dito. Alright, thank you so much for that one.
What about you? Yes, you. What brings you joy? What ignites that spark of fun within you? We all have our own unique definition of fun, don't we? Are you like her? Finding joy in the simple moments, in providing for her child? Let her story not only be a tale of struggle, but a testament to the resilience that blooms when one finds purpose in their efforts. Working hard isn't a burden when it's fueled by the joy of nurturing and providing for those we love. That's fun. Or are you like her? Discovering joy in the smiles of your loved ones? Perhaps it's not extravagant to the world, but for her, the simple act of being there for her family is the most fulfilling form of fun. It's in those precious moments of connection and support that she finds her true happiness amidst the toil of everyday life. And what about her? The one who strives to find happiness in her own journey. She does her best, not just for others, but for herself. Balancing the demands of work and study, she grants herself with the gift of self-care, allowing herself to breathe amidst the chaos. She deserves every bit of fun that comes her way. Remember, you can stay true to yourself even in the midst of work. You can pursue your passions and dreams, and sometimes, even without realizing it, you'll find that it's the journey itself that makes life truly fun after all.